This weekend we head back to Croom for some more camping and dirt bike riding. We have more friends and family that came to join us for the weekend. There were literally thousands of caterpillars all over the place, which kept the kids pretty busy. They were literally everywhere. It was a full-time job to keep the caterpillars out of our camping equipment. Time to warm up the four-wheelers and get ready for a ride. The grown-ups will take off to ride in the woods, and Banjoe will get ready so she can take her dirt bike on the beginner's track. Our bike lowered down and off we go.
Good job. There you go. See, she's cruising now.
Her biggest fans are set to wave her on.
You're doing good. How was it? Yeah.
Banjoe took a break while somebody else was warming up their laps. Banjoe said it's time to see if I can keep up.
You got this bike.
3 or 4? No, 2.
He was 4 years old. He got it on Thursday, and 4.5 he started riding already.
Yeah.
You can make it a little bit faster.
There you go.
No, I'm gonna take it. Oh, if they're gonna go together, there we go. That's what they want. Timor. On the throttle, they need to take the corners on the throttle.
She's been on it since she was 2. She's 5 now. I got hit last year, so there's a year where she wasn't riding.
Oh.
So she's finally back on it again. When I got hit, she was at the point where she'd keep the bike up on her own. Before, she was 2, and I'd have to hold the bike, she'd take off, and I'll catch the bike for her. Yeah, he's going pretty good on that one.
Yeah, but you can see it's already small for him.
How'd you like riding with him? It was fun following him around? Felt like you were racing?
This was Banjoe's first time riding somebody that's in her age group.
Got some dirt there.
I felt doing that on that one.
Oh,
Yeah. Adrian!
Break time over. Suiting up to ride some more. Yesterday we weren't able to ride because the bike was giving us problems. As I was cursing the bike, Banjoe quickly reminded me that Santa gave her the bike for Christmas. I tell you what, I got humbled real quick.
You ready? Come on.
Whoops, I saw that coming. Being inspired to seeing the other kids ride in her age group, she wanted to try the other side of the track.
Go, 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 go. Go. Go, 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 go. I got you. Go. There you go.
She still struggles a little bit in the sand. With a good pair of riding boots, I think that she could fix the problem. She fell one more time and decided to call it a day. You gotta give it to her, she's a trooper and learning fast.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go. See, you did it. You got through the sand there. It just takes more practice.
She's using her feet.
All right, good job.
We're gonna get you some ankles.
Good job. Daddy, high five.
That was fun.
All right. Sissy wants a high five. Jalen.
High five.
Everybody gets high fives. All right, good job. Yep. Mm-hmm. Where, Adrian? They are all over the place. The Shanice.
I'm gonna see Daddy.
Yeah. Sissy wants one, she said. Give one to Sissy.
Okay, I choose.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Here, Adri. Adri.
Here. I'm not that bad, Ted.
Aww, Adri.
It's sad.
After packing up, we were waiting for everybody else to return back from their ride.
Another one.
Here they come.
Even tighter.
Yeah.
He's gotta.
For the weekend?
No.
For just a little bit?
Just for it, yeah. I want to down. I want to down. Adrian. I want to down.
Guys, I'll hurt him.
Hit her.
Steve-O from Jackass. There.
So they have all kind of people coming.
Get it in there. Get mine in there.
That will conclude our trip. Here's the sign of a successful weekend. Thanks for watching. If you like the material, please subscribe. Here are other videos that you can check out.